Hello there, here we are in the beautiful region of Puglia. Today I'm showing you a beautiful townhouse. Now we are located in the stunning town of Martina Franca, which is a bit less known than some of the more touristic towns and is actually more authentic because of it. So you can see it's got the beautiful historical centre with the beautiful little alleys that we all love. The property I'm showing you today is this townhouse here, so it goes from the stairs upwards. We also have a roof terrace as well. So let's start to move into the house. Now it is a warm day today, so I was looking forward to get inside the property. This property actually does have air conditioning, so it is beautifully cool in this room, and especially because it's also got the fan on the ceiling, so always important to have a nice temperature. But as you can see, it's just around 60 square meters of property here. So you've got this sitting room area, very beautifully restored. I love the little details and the features that you've got. It really does make this a very cute property. But because it's all in white as well, there's so much light, and there's a light, airy feel to this place, which I really, really like. Now we do have central heating here, so we are connected to all the services. Obviously, we're in the center of town here, so everything is on the grid. You've got the gas for the central heating as well as regular electricity. Now here we've got a very cute fireplace. This is a fully functional fireplace. So between the central heating and the fireplace, it's a place where you can come absolutely in the winter time. And we actually have a lot of people coming for the Christmas period because Martina Franca, as well as many of the other towns, are actually getting really prepared, and there's lots of events for Christmas. So it's a beautiful place to come, definitely recommend. But you can see it's full of nice niches, and here we actually have the furniture can be included as well. So as you see it, you can buy it, sort of thing. So I'm going to start by showing you this very cute kitchenette just off the sitting room area, and obviously they've got a little table for dining in that sitting room. You can see it's, it is small, but it's fully functional, and I think for this type of a townhouse, it is absolutely fine for the use. I mean, this is really going to be a really good pied-à-terre for someone, or just someone who just wants to come on holiday occasionally, but it will also rent out well because we are in the center of town. So coming through here, we've got a really good size bathroom here. And again, it's all been very cutely restored. I like the style of it. It goes with the rest of the house. And you've actually got a really good size shower in here as well. So good size shower, good size sink, bidet, the usual stuff. And that is the bathroom on the first floor. So we'll start to go upstairs. And again, I love what they've done with this place. It's just so bright, and you've got the white that carries out through the property and just gives it that really nice bright feel. Now, speaking of brightness, look at this bedroom. We've got the sun coming in at this time of the day, and you can see it's a really nice, cozy bedroom. Again, we've got, look at the details. These are downstairs as well, and it's all about these types of details that raises the value in these properties, right? So really nice to see. We've got lots of storage space here. You've got the air conditioning up here as well. And then obviously the radiators, as previously mentioned. Coming out through here, we've got the roof terrace with the seats outside, table, and obviously you are in the heart of Martina Franca. I'm going to be flying the drone from here so that you can see exactly where we are in Martina Franca. It's just off one of the main squares. I'll add in the video the main square, and this is literally a 30-second walk from this square that you'll be seeing now, as I will insert it. Also, Martina Franca is absolutely beautiful, arguably one of the prettiest towns in this area. It is quite a wealthy town and has a really interesting history, so I definitely recommend you all look into it. Again, this is a little area around here where we've got the services as well as more storage areas up here as well. So it's really nice to have this type of a roof terrace in town. Obviously it gives you that outside space. But this is pretty much everything I had to say for this property. If you have any questions on this property or any of the others, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you very much for watching.